Hey guys, never buy a Samsung refrigerator. When I bought this refrigerator, it's making some serious noise. And I'm gonna let you hear it for right now.
You just like Anthony.
And the ice maker don't work. Ice maker never works here. Goes on and off, goes on and off. Besides the noise and the ice maker not working, this little door here broke off. And then under there it gets full of water and ice. And it's just a mess. These filters go for like $60-$80. This refrigerator's been a pain in the ass since day one. Here it is, Samsung. Here's a better look at it. Listen to that noise. The ice maker don't work. Little door broken. Ice maker don't work. Makes noises all day long. This thing's just garbage.